Good morning. It's 7:45 in the morning and today is gonna be a hot day, about 30 degrees Celsius. And I thought I'm going to ride. So I'm forgotten. But I thought I'm going to ride. So it's Saly's turn. We have some hunters here just for the goose because there are way too many. Oh. Oh. But I'm having a cold, so I'm not going to ride that long. Saly is really alert. So we shall see. Mathilde and Saly. Saly sweat a bit. Next is Reintje. It's 8:45, 23 degrees. So we are going to ride for 5 or 10 minutes. This is the third time I'm riding her again. Reintje. Reintje. Paukje. Hey. Hoi. Bellen. Hey Bella. Rollen. Saly. En Blomke. Reisy and Yvke. I got some new grass for you. You have to come. Come on. Come on. Hello? No. They won't come. Hello? Really? Well, I have new grass, but they find it. Hey, Reisy. I'm missing something. What did you do? There it is. His fly mask. Oops. Okay, there it is. I am not sure how, but it's off. Oops. I'm making a new wire again, so the horses can have some new grass. And here I am. So that's the stable, Reisi, Yvke, and there's the wire. And now I'm making here a wire. So new grass. Till here, and now I have to go there. And every time I wanted to try as straight as possible. So we shall see. Well, is it straight? Or is it straight? Yeah. I think it's good enough. Yes. Now I open the wire on this side. And I'm curious what Yvke and Reisi will say. Well, they say nothing, of course, but if they know, they can eat here. We shall see. Ta-da! Yes, that's yours. But Reisi and Yvke don't know yet. They can go that way. Hey. Peach, Daisy, Spidey en Reisi. Kralle en Yvke. Oh, they eat and eat and eat. Yeah. They still don't understand. There is new grass. But tomorrow they will. Belle, korallen, Blomke, Saly, Reintje en Boukje. Reisi, Yvke, and like every evening, they're in the wrong stall. You. Oh.
Ja, nou vooral. Ja. Ma'am.
Ja, ik ben erbij.
Nee, jammer.
Nee, jammer dan. Nee. Oh, doe dat maar net. Hey. Doe maar net, Boukje.
Hoe heet die?
Boukje.
Bouke.
Ja. Nee, dat blijven. Bij A rechts. En bij K indraf. Lukt dat?
Draf.
Pak ze maar wat katten. Het is net te het eerst. Net te het. Leuk?
Ja.
Probeer je maar.
Draf. Draf.
Oh, net zo het. Nee, die kant op iets op.
Kikkeboe.
Net zo het, jongen. De gong zat verder, trad de bal. Hey.
Kom op.
Even pauze.
Ja, voor Daisy.
Ja. They found the grass, but his mask. Oops. Ricey, what did you do? His ear. Oops. Hey. I help. I took it off. I think today is not that sunny, so his nose won't burn that much. Sunburn, how do you say? But I put on the cream, so I hope it helps. Hello? Yvonne? Yvonne? Doei Yveske. Reisje. Mes voor Saly. Een blomke. Bellen. Boukje. Reintje. Korallen. Haha. Reintje is finished. Oh, what a difference in size. Hey. Reintje wants to go to Saly her mess, but it's from Saly. Hey Boukje. Hey Reintje.